What's up, guys? I hope everyone's okay. And basically, I'm going to be running through how I caught this lovely 14 RR trade, which is basically a 14 times. And I'm going to break down exactly my thought process, everything, and how I entered and how I exited. And I'm going to break everything down for you. So, we were in the New York session. We don't trade in the first hour, we trade when it hits 2 p.m. onwards. So, we got a little blue line right here. So I did fail one trade. I failed a trade here, and I got in over here. Close. So before it went up, there was equal highs and there was equal lows. What I was waiting for was which direction it's going to be taken in. So I didn't sweep it as aggressively as I was like, so I thought there might be a continuation. So I marked this off as a break of structure, right? I marked this off as a BOS. But I will be honest, as it approached, so Bama hits 2 p.m. and I see it heading down to my zone. I had a gut feeling that this wasn't gonna work. I just had a feeling it wasn't gonna work because if I scale back out into the 5 minutes, obviously we can see it's already being violated, but I just felt like this was gonna be a rejection candle. So I had a gut feeling, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take it anyways. So I took the trade and I lost it, and I was like, okay, I got it confirmed. I got it confirmed. Line with it. So price closed below and took the liquidity. So it just about closed on the zone that we were looking for. So price just closed on our zone. Usually, what I do on the 1 minute time frame, I change a character, then I wait for a break of structure to confirm that I should enter. But there was something that was saying to me, like I just had another gut feeling, I guess, that was saying to me that this would be a valid entry. That I don't need to wait for the break of structure. Because I feel like with how much it was moving, if I was able to go into the seconds, because obviously I'm on the 1 minute time frame, but if I was able to go into the seconds time frames, I think I'd be able to find another, like a change of character within these candles. That's what was going through my head. So I was like, you know what, I'll count this change of character as a change of character and a break of structure. And then obviously I had a BOS over here as well. So anyways, I marked this out. As soon as this closed, I marked this out and I entered. I just entered straight away. I think I entered a little bit lower because the price was moving. It did start getting me a bit worried, and then price finally, when I seen that close, I was like, okay, I'm safe. I'm safe. So yeah, that was basically my entry. It closed and I picked the candle before the close. So this was the candle that closed, right? Let me just delete this. This was the candle that closed, and this was the order block before the candle that closed. So that's why I entered off that one. We had a change of character. We had this sweep above. We had an aggressive sweep above. Well, kind of aggressive with a big rejection candle. You can tell this is a rejection candle because look, this candle fully engulfs this right after taking out the liquidity above. So that's a big sign for me that these people are shifting. The demands are failing. And we're seeing supply just slowly start to come in and overwhelm the market. And basically, I had the TP as I was thinking here. I will be honest. I was thinking here these little equal highs, but on the 5 minute you can't see the equal lows. I mean, so I was just like, I don't know about that. So I just said, you know what, F it. I'm just gonna go for the London session, the low of the London session. Also on top of that, New York swept up London and Asia. So that's a big sign that there could be a potential reversal. On top of that, that the higher time frame is bearish as well. So anyways, as we watch it, look what happens. So okay, tap this in over here. You could have had another entry here. After price swept out these equal lows, it starts reversing. I'll be honest, I was getting a bit scared here because it was getting closer, and I was like, no way, this was actually supposed to be my TP. But I decided to hold this, and I was like, oh my days. Anyways, I just ate food as I was eating. Next thing you know, my notification gets hit, and it says, take out 90%. I took out 50% at a 1 to 3, right? Move my stop loss to break even. Then this was the TP that I took. I took the whole 14, actually no, not the whole 14 sorry. I took 90% of what was remaining, and I left 10% running because it aligns with the higher time frame. Because it aligns with the higher time frame, my trade, which is the higher time frame is bearish, I left 10% running. So yeah, guys, I closed the rest of my 10% around here, which was nice. And then overnight, when Asia set in, it just dropped and took out all these people. But I already took out my profit here. But yeah, that's basically how I caught a 14 RR trade. I feel like there should be more to it, but this is how trading should be. Simple, as long as you understand all the concepts and your trading strategy. And that's basically everything I have to give you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative. I hope it was easy to understand. And that's about it, guys. But yeah, thank you guys for joining. I do have a Discord below, which I do need to organize the settings for that. But I have a Discord for people that just like to trade, so you can join here. Just join there, chill. We can talk about trading, keep it trading related, of course. And please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my content. I'll see you guys in the next couple of videos. Thank you.